Hello, and welcome to another episode of the 3-Minute Handy Job.
I'm Jeff.
And I'm Lisa.
In our ongoing series, we're going to show you some basic, easy tips on how to do things yourself.
Today, we're going to show you how to troubleshoot a broken disposal.
I'm sure we've all experienced a backed up disposal, food floating around in water that won't go down. First, we carefully place our hand down the drain and make a quick sweep. Now, before you do that, you want to make sure that everyone in the kitchen knows exactly what you're doing so they don't accidentally turn the disposal on when your hand is down there. That would not be good. So I like to give a quick announcement, hand in disposal, stand back. And then we see Lisa's acknowledged, she's heard me, she's standing back, thank you Lisa. So now it's perfectly safe for me to stick my hand down the drain and into this garbage disposal. Now, I'm looking for anything obvious that could be causing blockage, and nope, there's nothing there. So after that, you want to turn the disposal on and listen. Our ears are our best tool.
Now that the blockage has been cleared, we're going to run our final test. You should always turn the water on first. Hear how quiet that is? Well, I guess that wraps it up for our episode. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful hints to come on the 3-Minute Handy Job.